So at this match at Arkansas Paintball and Airsoft, they didn't have any rentals, and I don't own a primary, so I was just running a secondary pistol. But it ended up working out pretty well. At this point, it's pretty embarrassing. My airsoft pistol obviously got jammed. I'm like, gosh dang it, that I got it undone.
Oh fuck, I think it jammed. I think so. Nope, there you go.
When I got here, it's pretty embarrassing. I forgot that when you run out of bullets, the gun goes into this position of like, oh hey, I need a new mag. But being a noob, I didn't know. So these embarrassing things are gonna happen when you first start out. And I wanted to share mine because pretty sure there's other people out there that are just starting into it, and they're gonna run into the same thing and feel pretty stupid like I did. But it's good to share that I wasn't the only one. And then I dropped my mag. My second mag. I was like, crap, where is it? I passed by it and I was like, I don't know if that's mine. I was like, nope, it's mine, because I checked and I was missing it. Okay, so on some matches, I don't know, my GoPro didn't start recording, so I missed it. But I started this one on a new map, same place at Arkansas. This place has 5 maps, and we only got to play on 3 though. On this one, everybody's either taped with blue or not taped at all. So it's blue tape versus non-tape. And I made a couple friends here that I'll probably do some more games with. Pretty glad I met them because they did teach me a lot. They're all pretty cool. So here, before I started my next match, I wanted to test out my gun to make sure that it was firing and it won't lock up like the first time it did.
Sit right here. This is a good snapshot. From end to end from here. So you can go watch over there and do what they did last time, which is good tactics. You can watch over there and shoot them that way, or you can go through the middle. So how do I get up here?
Go. Oh sweet, there's actual wall on this side, yeah.
Yep. I'm behind you.
Alright, so I'm gonna guard this entrance to make sure that somebody comes in through here. But
You're on the other side. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
So here they were firing at us, but I knew they were going to shoot straight ahead, so I wanted to crouch down to be able to surprise them once they came over. Sadly, they did end up getting the guy onto the right, and my friend that I made here to the left.
It's not shooting. Wind it.
somebody might be approaching. I just saw it move over there. Yep.
Hey.
Bro, ball shot. I see him. He's tipping over.
Are you guys clear on that side?
Y'all clear on that side?
Are you guys clear on that side?
Alright, y'all good.
No communication at all.
Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, don't peek. Nope, there's someone there. I can see the shadow. I can see the shadow. They're aiming at us right now. They're trying to shoot at our legs. See if you guys can get them from the other side, but you know, watch your backs.
Head, hold on, let me out. Come on, let me out.
Fuck.
So I ran out of ammo and I was
Yeah, he's
gonna
still
switch
there.
to my
Watch
magazine.
that side, guys.
But
I'm out around us.
it took me a while because I forgot where I put it. So I started searching everywhere. Finally, I found it in a pocket. but it
Especially
was
you. Make sure
stuck in
that dude's
between
still
like
there.
2 pockets. That's in 1 pocket, so I was like struggling for a bit.
No. We're still good on our side.
I'm trying to come that side right here. I can see.
Watch your left, guys. I'll keep watching here in a second. Hey, watch your left.
So this next part, there were 3 guys there that were not on our team, and I said bang because I thought that's what you're supposed to say when you don't want to shoot them, but you're close enough to take them out.
Bang!
But I don't think they understood that.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Either you get shot or go out.
This guy that
Either
ran
go out
made
or
a
get
good
shot.
choice.
Go out or get shot. I got you already. There's someone approaching. Thank you. Sorry. Huh? You're still in? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Someone's approaching
My
over there.
sniper just turned on me. I don't know what.
See if you can get. Oh shit! You don't have it.
I don't
There's
have
a dude
any-
right there, but I don't have a good angle. Yeah, our team is approaching that way. Hey, if you got good aim, there's a small hole right there. I don't know if they're on our side.
Trying to shoot through that guy.
You have? Yeah, I can't do it, especially with this one. You're hit. There's only a few left. Okay, so that side is empty. I just emptied out that corner. But
Alright, come with me.
there's a dude to the left. Hold on, I gotta reload. I don't have anything right now. Shit, he followed me.
Oh, sorry.
It's really sweet. That's probably the guy that was chasing me. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to stand on this side so they don't.
Clear.
Yeah, come on. From where? Where'd you get hit?
Window. Guy, on hand, window.
Hit!
So the next embarrassing thing that happened on this round was I forgot to remove safety off my pistol. So I was like approaching, and then 3 guys appeared way up at front and started shooting me, and I was like crap, because I was like, why wasn't my pistol shooting? And then I was like, oh shit, I forgot to remove the safety. Okay, so this is the last match we were gonna play,
One more.
and my friend that I made here to the right,
Alright,
she
we
wanted to be
choose.
on the same team as me, so thankfully the referee was kind enough to put
Okay,
us
we're
on the same
both teams.
team. So we're number 2 team, and
Oh
the
god,
buddy here that I
man.
made
I'm almost shooting.
as well.
Okay,
I
I'll
was
shoot.
hoping he would be on our side, but he was on 1, and then the dude
What
way in the
number are you?
back that I pointed at there,
Yeah, you're with us.
I knifed him
We're
twice in a
twos.
row in the same spot when we were
Alright,
in
where
there.
two's going?
But like I said, one of the videos
Two's right
didn't
here?
record all the way,
Two.
but the game still went good.
You can be 2. Yeah, you can come with us.
And this part, I know it's not part of the game, but I wanted to show how good the community is.
Alright, we're gonna
We all
protect
get
this
along,
right here.
of course.
Stick to the left, but apparently if we get hit, we have to go inside the building. So try to just stay in the middle and knock a shot. Is there respawns or no? No respawns. Oh, there's one in the corner on the left side, far on the side. Oh my god, I'm gonna shoot. What the heck? There we go. Immediately to your right. He's on right there. Oh, fuck. I'm already on this one. Let it out. We're already in the game. Say whatever you gotta say.
And of course, on the last match, I get taken down real fast. But again, hopefully the video you enjoyed, and I'm hoping the editing will get better later in videos. Thanks for watching.